In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to earn 10% annual returns paid quarterly without the risk of the stock market. All right, three big benefits here on why one wants 10% annual returns. Of course, the interest rate is great, but really what that means, well, you get predictable income you can count on. I'm going to tell you how you get this in just a moment. Predictable income. We don't deal with the volatility of the ups, the highs, or the lows of the stock market. So whether any president or any Fed chair says one thing or has one look. We just don't deal with the volatility, the swings. And that's really number two. Big benefit is the volatility. We just detach ourselves from all the ups and downs and all the things that could happen on any given day in the stock market. So we don't see the radical highs and certainly we don't see the radical lows. And the last point is it's a smarter way to build wealth. All right. So what is this? Right. Well, I like to say, the second oldest profession in the world. We simply lend money. We lend money to people who fix and flip homes. We lend money to people who fix homes and turn them into rental properties. So we get paid off either when they sell the property or we get paid off when they refinance. Typically, when they're going to turn into a rental property, they'll refinance with a bank or somebody with very long-term financing. Because all we do is lend on short-term financing to real estate investors. We do this in a very safe and secured fashion because we take a mortgage, first position mortgage only, actually. So much like a mortgage you may have on your house and I have on my house, that's exactly what we do. So we're safe and secured by real property. And investors get 10% annual returns, 10% annual returns, and they're paid out quarterly. And that's because we're collecting interest from our borrowers on a routine, regular basis, and we pay out interest without the volatility, without all the wild swings, without the ups and downs of the stock market. Now, if you have any interest in learning more, there's a link below in the description, and you can watch that.